These 5 free AI video generators are insane. And I mean it, no trial, no limits on some of them. One gives you 12-second videos in full 1080p, another one is completely unlimited. I went through all 5 so you don't have to. Stick around because tool number 5 actually shocked me. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Let's get straight into it. Tool number 1 is Meta AI, and honestly, this is probably the best free option out there right now. When you open it up, you get 2 choices, make images or make videos. You click the create video part, and from there, you just type a prompt or upload a photo straight from your phone or laptop. That's the whole thing. The results are actually good, the videos are short, but the motion looks smooth, nothing melts, nothing turns into soup, and that's genuinely rare for a free tool. Here's what stood out to me the most though. There's a restyle option, so you take a video and change the whole look of it. There's a robot style and a long list of others if you click browse. And you can add music inside the tool too, completely free. Tool number 2 is Quinn AI. You sign in, click try Quinn Studio, and that opens the main screen. You click the plus icon, and again, you get 2 options, images or videos. Click video, pick your aspect ratio, tall for phones, wide for YouTube, whatever you actually need. This one runs on the Quinn 3.7 model, and you can upload your own images too. So image to video or straight text to video, both work fine. I'll be honest with you though, this one is slow, like go make a coffee slow, but the results are genuinely good, especially for something that costs nothing. Faces stayed faces, hands stayed hands, backgrounds didn't wobble around. Here's how you'd actually use this one for real. Start with an image, grab a screenshot of a dashboard, a graph going up, or a simple photo of a laptop on a desk. Upload it and type something like slow zoom in on the screen, soft light, calm feeling, small camera drift. Now, that boring screenshot is a moving clip. That's your B-roll, the stuff that plays behind your talking head. Or upload a picture of a group of people and type the group turns and smiles, warm light, friendly, welcoming. That's a community shot ready to go straight onto a landing page. Text to video works too. Try a whiteboard, slowly filling up with a simple plan, hand-drawn arrows, clean and bright. That's your explainer clip, and you didn't hire anyone or open a single piece of editing software to get it. And here's the thing, nobody actually tells you about tools like this. The prompt does most of the work. Short prompts give you weird videos. Clear prompts give you clean videos. Say what's in the shot, say how the camera moves, say what the light looks like, and doing that gets your output 10 times better, instantly. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Tool 3 is Pictory, and I want to be clear, these last 2 tools come from the same family, but they're different tools, don't mix them up. The current model here is 1.2.7, and it's genuinely good with video. You can switch between models, change the quality, change the length, and on the free side, you get 5 seconds. That's the cap. You also get 10 free credits every day just for logging in, but you don't actually need the credits to keep making videos. You can just keep going. It's got features I really rate too. You can upload your own audio, your own voice, your own music, and it has a first frame, last frame feature. You give it a starting picture and an ending picture. And it fills in everything in between. That's a proper feature and it's free. Fair warning though, this tool is slow, really slow, but it's unlimited, so you can just sit there and make video after video. Here's the smart way to use first frame, last frame. Make your first frame a messy desk, papers everywhere, chaos. Make your last frame the same desk, but clean, empty, calm, the tool fills in the middle, and you've just made a before and after clip showing exactly what automation does for a business in 5 seconds with no words at all. Or try this. First frame is one person working alone, last frame is a full team on a screen. That's a growth story told in 5 seconds. Upload your own voiceover over the top, and you've got a full ad. Or first frame is an empty landing page. Last frame is that same page full of happy customers. Now you've got a visual you can loop right at the top of a page. Tool 4 is LM Arena, which just changed its name to Arena, and this one's a favorite for a reason. When it comes to free video models, this place leads. You click the video section, and here's the thing, you don't get to pick your model, you just type a prompt and it picks for you. It runs 2 different models side by side so you can compare them, which is actually pretty fun. You get to watch which one wins. Nobody really knows exactly what's running in the background, but the output is pretty decent. Not mind-blowing, but solid, and it comes with audio, which is a nice surprise. There's a small watermark at the end, but it's not distracting. You can still use the whole video. Here's how I'd use this one. Since it gives you 2 versions side by side, use it for testing. Type a prompt, like a person opening a laptop and smiling as things start working automatically, bright office, clean look, and now you've got 2 versions, pick the better one and use it. You basically just split tested a video for free in 1 click. This one's great for hooks. That first 3 seconds, make 5 of them, pick the best, and move on. Tool number 5 is the surprise, and it's the one that actually got me. It's ByteDance, and the platform is called Byte Plus, officially from ByteDance itself. When you land on the page, you'll see a few models, including Seedance 2.0 and some buttons that look like you have to pay. Ignore those, scroll down a bit, and you'll find more models further down, including Seedance 1.5 Pro and Seedance 1. Click through to the playground, and there is a drop-down where you switch between models. Seedance 2.0 isn't free here, but you still get Seedance 1.5 Pro, Seedance 1, and Seedance 1 Pro, plus a few others, and text-to-video works great on all of them. Now, here's the part that actually got me. You get 2 million free credits on one account, but it gets better. You can make 12-second videos. Most free tools cap you at 5, and you can make 4 videos at the same time with no waiting in line, and it's full 1080p HD. I looked at the results, and honestly, they're impressive. You're not going to get Seedance 2.0 quality for free, but for something free, these results are genuinely amazing, and 12 seconds is a whole different game. 5 seconds is a clip. 12 seconds is an actual scene. So there you have it, 5 free AI video tools, Meta AI for speed and restyling, Quinn AI for quality when you're willing to wait, Pictory for first frame, last frame, and your own audio, Arena AI for testing 2 versions of a clip at once, and ByteDance for 12-second full 1080p clips, 4 at a time. All 5 completely free to try right now, and most people watching this still don't even know they exist. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.